Welcome to our manual about maintenance and preparation for storage for sharpening system Kadet. To prepare a sharpening system for storage, first of all, we need to loosen the screws of the clamps, then unlock the turning mechanism, and then unlock the lifting unit and put it into the down position. Releasing the spring of turning mechanism and clamp screws helps us to prolong the life period of those elements of sharpening system. Then we are pulling the shaft out of the system and cleaning it with paper or cloth moistened in oil. This removes the residue sludge and abrasive dust and helps the shaft to run smoothly through the hinge unit. When we want to prepare the sharpening system for long-term storage, specifically Kadet Pro version T, we need to disassemble the sharpening system into main elements: the turning mechanism with lifting unit, the rack with base, the shaft, and the hinge units separately. Then we moisten the cloth or the paper towel with oil and cover the main units with a protective layer of oil, which will help us against the corrosion during the storage period. When we want to prepare for storage the black version of our sharpening system Kadet, all we have to do is to protect the shaft itself and, in case you want it, the screws. The system disassembles the same way. We already have clamps loosened and the turning mechanism unlocked, and in those several steps you are ready to store it. Answering two popular questions: do we have to apply additional oil to the turning mechanism? Normally not, but in case the system was stored in some dirty environment, once you cleaned all the dust and dirt from the device, you can apply a little bit of oil inside the turning mechanism. The same situation about the lifting unit. Normally you don't have to apply any additional lubrication oil to make it move smoothly, but in case you want to perform the maintenance and have some additional protection of the gear, you can add a small drop of oil on the gear itself, but only a small drop, because you see, those black guides are made of plastic, which provides good anti-friction features. And practically that's all. Hope this brief manual was useful for you, and if you still have questions, don't hesitate and leave your comments down below. We are always welcome to answer you. Don't forget to press like, subscribe to our channel, this helps us a lot, and I'll see you next time.